This is so not safe.
Alright guys, right now we're doing some redneck
Oh,
landscaping. This is one of our videos we're gonna start doing. And as you can see, it failed. But yeah.
We're just gonna rip them down.
Right now we're proving like, looks like grapevine prickers. Very scary, especially when you're riding and you don't realize it. You have no goggles or glass or like, yeah, shit like that.
He's coming up there.
Is he or is he
No,
not?
he's not. Don't worry, folks. I got this.
His nickname is Wild Joe, just saying. Or his new nickname anyways.
You better hold me, little man.
Yeah. Oh, you can't really see it in the video, but here.
Ooh.
This is pricker, I'll tell you what, this is freaking crazy as hell. Alright, don't move it. Alright, can you see it? See little prickers? There, yeah, they're gingers. And they're like 20 feet long. And he failed. Alright, I'm backing up. He has Carhartt gloves on, but he says he's still scared of it. Just saying.
Hey, this thing's go through just to let you know. As I can feel them.
I would hope.
Ooh. That one got me good.
Well, oh, if you can see it, it's like right there.
It's like a giant bush up there.
Going up there, and like it ends right about there, but it's like kind of like a grapevine, ain't it?
Yeah, it's like a freaking bush in a tree. Just it's all thorns.
And then right here, as you can see, where he broke it when he was climbing, and then he broke. Where did you break it at again?
The way top.
Oh yeah, he broke it. Like,
There's the stick right there.
he broke it somewhere, but right now he's trying like to take all gun. Hey! Can't wait. I'm mine. Alright.
Yeah.
It almost hit me, man. What the crap?
He's bigger. Gotta remove this thing.
And this will be one of our videos. We're gonna probably call it redneck landscaping. And probably gonna do some frogging videos and riding, mudding. Probably some fishing. Yeah. And we'll just do some dumb stuff. If you have any ideas, just leave in comments. But
It's stained.
you watch this skinny ass piece of stick.
Watch your language.
Okay. You can edit it out. Alright, yeah, well, there's our floors over there. Right here, we call this, here, I'll walk over here. We call this trail the creek because it's like long, very long. Goes over there, there's some trees right there.
Nothing ain't gonna hit me now.
And goes pretty much all the way down there. But this summer we're gonna clean some trees up so we can make it longer. How's the water? Oh crap! But this is we're not really sure what we're gonna call this spot, but this is a spot where we come out, just hang out, sit for hours. And this, ladies and gentlemen, this is where he does all his burnouts and
Donuts?
or donuts. Yeah, cool. But yeah, and right there, my floor, his floor, and there's Joe, there's me. Alright, bye guys.